G'day and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at cleaning our combs. Today we're going to be looking at cleaning our combs. Now you should all have a good quality comb for combing through your beard. I have two combs, they are both Kent combs. This is the Kent R7T, which is a pocket comb, and then I have the larger 16T, and there is another Kent comb that a lot of people are using, which is the same length as this one, but the similar depth to this one. But I like this one. It helps get in underneath the jaw. So why do we want to clean your beard comb? Well, you're combing oil and balms through your beard, so you're going to get some oil and balm, which includes waxes, and they're going to get on your comb, and then when you leave your combs out, they're going to attract dust. It's going to settle in there, and also when you're combing through your beard, you're going to pick up some dead skin cells, and you don't really want to be combing back through your beard all the time. So a bit of regular maintenance on your beard comb is going to keep you nice and clean and keep a healthy beard. So let's take a look at how I clean these beard combs. They're not very difficult to clean. If you haven't been cleaning your beard comb regularly, then maybe you might have a little bit of build up through there, so you can use an old toothbrush and you can clean in there. But I do regular maintenance on my comb, so I don't need to do that. So how do I clean this? Well, just give it a bit of a wet. I've got my hand. I got some hand soap there, liquid soap in there. Build that up into a lather. And I just go like this. Now, you could probably use a brush and really brush, but I find that this is good enough. This gets the oils and waxes off it, and if you can see it, the foam gets right up into the teeth, right up in between there, up to the throat of the teeth. So it does a really good job. And that's it, that's one comb. Here we go, second comb. Just rub it back and forwards, feed it through your hands. And then we rinse it off. And that removes all of that excess oil and waxes and stuff from your combs. You have a nice clean comb. Then we can just take a clean cloth, give them a wipe off. Just wipe the water off. It's nothing special to be done. And there you go. 2 clean combs done in less than a minute. So keep those combs clean and have a healthy beard. That's it for now. So catch you later.